Sla Kurdistan. Choni Bashi Anamawen. My name is Israel. Thank you so much for watching. So today we're gonna do some Kurdish TikToks. It has been a minute since I've done Kurdish TikTok reactions, so we might find out new TikTokers. I don't know. I just know maybe like 3 or 4 that I really like, but let's go and watch them. Hopefully they're interested. Okay, so let's go. Singing. Oh, is that Heidi Love? Oh no, it's not. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, she's really pretty. The hair. Hello. Oh wow, she's pretty too.
بيانيت باج عزيزم بيتو مش عزيزم كانت بينم دلتانقم كزوماتو بيار
Hey. Oh, Bana.
Ignoring me, so you're obviously my type.
I'm sorry, what were you saying?
I was just gonna do this swipe. But what happened? Oh, excuse me. Oh no. Okay. That's a major catfish, honey. Oh wow. She looks amazing. Yes. That's amazing. The hair, like, can you imagine? That is so pretty. Oh wow. She's really pretty. Okay.
Ladies, I want to see you get up.
But oh, okay. Is that Kylie Jenner, honey? Kendall and Kylie, honey. Yes. Chona.
والله زور طبيعتي لكردش
الحمد لله. I don't know what I'm saying.
والله فرقة كي قورن يبغى يزور ليك أتشين
Kurdish.
هم يأجونجي
ليك أتشن
أجونجي ألمانيا وتري ليك أتشين
I don't know what she's saying. Choni.
أجونجين
Agujin. Okay, Agujin.
Oh my god بخوار كردية كان منظر سقطة
Classy hoe. Wow. I mean, is that real hair? Is the hair real? It's so pretty. I must say, Kurdish girls are really pretty. Shatrenika. Okay.
Like attention. More attention. Attention now, please. Thank you.
Bana. Okay. Auchon Kumara.
شلوني؟
هلا ومرحبا.
كردي دزاني؟
نازانم كردي.
Nasano Kurdi.
بونت خوشة بون.
ها؟
بونت خوشة بون.
هوا جو رائع يعني عذب زين.
خوشة.
نازانم كردي ما فهم عليك شو تقول.
ورا بون.
Oh wow. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. Yes. She is bomb.
Benim aşkım bir tane. Ben aşkımın delisiyim.
I don't even know what she's saying, but I like it. Neruzen, okay.
حبيبي حبيبي كرة حبيبي حبيبي حبيبي
Wow. I want to know who is she, because she's really pretty. Kurdish, oh yes, Kurdish. How old are you? 20. Yes, Alhamdulillah. Okay.
جرقو دلم طوبة كباب جمع يلا كافر باب جرقو دلم طوبة كباب جمع يلا كافر باب
There you go, those were Kurdish TikToks. I enjoy them. Every now and then we do TikToks in this channel, but it's interesting to see different cultures, because like American TikToks, Malaysian TikToks, Kurdish TikToks, they're all different and unique in their own way, and I find it very interesting. So that's why I love to do them. So I love you guys so much. If you guys want me to make a video about any Kurdish TikToker, let me know, comment down below, and then I'll make a video just to find out who they are, or whatever, music or TikTok, I don't know. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thumbs up this video, follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you when I can. Okay, bye.